Alright, so this is a silencer me and my friend made for my Airsoft Scar Light by D-Boys. And I'm just going to say it works pretty well. Alright, so on the inside, I'm not sure if you can see that very well, but there's the body of a cheap kind of pen where I Dremel like it's like a drill, except just not really. But if you don't have a Dremel, you can just cut holes in it with a knife or something. But you cut holes in a spiral kind of way down the barrel of it, like around the outside, or the outside of the pen. And yeah, that's for that part. On the outside here is just like a piece of PVC. It's a piping, and you cut holes in that, and you put the pen in the middle of it with cotton on the inside to reduce, or to like stop the sound. And for mine, we surrounded the cotton with steel wool. And here is a washer on the end, right there, and it's hot glued on to a piece of CPVC pipe, and we kind of made it be able to fit the barrel of my gun. And this will, to close it all up, this thing is a cap from a small Gatorade bottle, drilled a hole in the bottom, and it fits pretty nicely in this, and it works pretty well. And so I'm going to show you a test. You might not be able to hear it very well, but hear the difference, because I don't know about the quality of my recorder. So here you go. Alright, so here's the silencer on my gun, or reducer, whatever you want to call it, my new battery. Alright, so yeah, looks pretty cool too, and it also gets rid of some of the noise. So I'm gonna show you it. Hold on, just a sec. I'm not gonna shoot or anything. Well, I'm gonna shoot it, but nothing's gonna come out. Hold on. Alright, so here we go. Wait. Hold on. 1 second. Let me just make sure there's nothing in here. Alright. Alright, so this is what it sounds like without it. Alright, now with it. Probably not gonna hear much of a difference, but I don't know if you can hear that or not, but one more time. Alright, so that's it. If you liked it, comment, subscribe if you wanna. Yeah. So, thanks for watching.